Now we can move to our next chapter, Input in Java. Chapter 5, Input in Java. Input in Java means the ways of providing values or data to the computer in Java language. It is the ways of providing values or data to the computer in Java language. It is the ways to give data or input to the computer. Data processing is an important in computer operation. We know data processing is very important in computer operation. It includes input, process, output. Input, process, output. We know that IPO cycle that we studied in the 3rd or 4th standard, that IPO cycle. Did you remember that? Input, process, output. That means we can give input to the computer and the computer process it and give output to us. For that, we can give input. For any processing, we can give input to the computer. There are so many different ways for giving input to the computer. Normally in MS Office, Word, Paint, PowerPoint, that all things we can give the input using the keyboard. Same, we can give the input in any way. We can give the input to the computer and the computer process it and give output to us. In our programming, the initial task is to provide values to the computer. Not only programming, all the computer operations, the first task or initial task is to give input to the computer. So, now we are going to learn how we can input value to the computer for processing in Java programming language. See, in this chapter, we want to study about how we can give input in Java programming language. See, to accept the values in Java programming, there are 4 different ways there. That input in Java means we can give values to the computer or we can give values to a programming language. In Java programming language, there are 4 different ways there for giving input to the computer. The first one is assignment statement, giving values by using assignment statement. And the second one is give values using function argument. And the third one is give input using input stream reader. And the fourth one is give input by using scanner class. First one is assignment statement, function argument, input stream reader and scanner. See, first one, in 8th standard, some programs we finished in the 8th standard. That all programs we are using this assignment statement. In the assignment statement, we are giving the input at the programming time or input time itself. In the programming time itself, we can give the values for the assignment statement. And in the function argument means we can give the input at the execution time. I hope you all remember about the execution of Java programming. Last year we did some programming in computer lab also. From on that, in the function argument means at the execution time itself we are giving the values. The next 2 things, input stream reader and scanner class. In the output window, we are giving the values. In the output window itself, we are giving the values. Scanner class also, we are giving the values at the output time itself. See, one more time, I will give this one. 4 types of inputs in Java. First, assignment. Second one is function argument. Third one is input stream reader and fourth one is scanner class. Same in the function, in the assignment statement, we can give input at the programming time. In പ്രോഗ്രാം എഴുതുന്ന ടൈമിൽ തന്നെ നമ്മൾ വാല്യൂസ് ഡേറ്റ ടൈപ്സിന് അല്ലെ വേരിയബിൾസിന് വാല്യൂസ് ഇൻപുട്ട് ചെയ്ത് കൊടുക്കും. സെക്കൻഡ് വൺ ഫങ്ഷൻ ആർഗ്യുമെൻറ്റ്. ഇൻ ദി ഫങ്ഷൻ ആർഗ്യുമെൻറ്റ് എക്സിക്യൂഷൻ ടൈം. നമുക്കറിയാം ജാവ പ്രോഗ്രാമിങ്ങിൽ സം സ്റ്റെപ്സ് ആർ ദെയർ ഫോർ എക്സിക്യൂഷൻ. ആ സ്റ്റെപ്പിൽ ആഫ്റ്റർ കമ്പൈലേഷൻ ദെയർ ഈസ് വൺ വിൻഡോ ഈസ് കമ്മിങ് ദെയർ. അവിടെയാണ് നമ്മൾ വാല്യൂ ഇൻസേർട്ട് ചെയ്ത് കൊടുക്കുന്നത്. വി വിൽ സ്റ്റഡി ദിസ് ഡീറ്റെയിൽ. Then next, input stream reader, output window. You know the output window of Java programming. In that output window, we can give the values in input stream reader and scanner. Then now we are going to study about this all detail.